Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of this notebook sleeve by Hama. This is their premium line that is ideal for notebooks up to 15.6 inches or 40 centimeters, as you can see, okay, on the other side, as you can read here. Now, this is a really premium-like protector for your laptop or your Mac that is indeed a value for money proposition by Hama. And it is also really nice to the touch and the aesthetics that fit both in a casual or a more formal occasion. And with some gunmetal zippers, you can carry your laptop or your documents secure to any place. So let's remove this tag here and open this sleeve. Okay, we just have to cut this one here. This is attached to the sleeve itself, so we have to use a pair of scissors here to remove this plastic, and we will do that in a manner that won't damage our sleeve. So this will do the trick, and we're ready to remove that like that. I must say, even now I feel that this is an even more premium product. Okay, we have another here to remove. We will cut it with a pair of scissors like that again. Just be careful not to damage the sleeve itself by pulling. Okay, this feels really nice. It's not the most high quality material, but it's feeling like a premium cloth here, and this looks really great and it protects from scratches. Now there's a raised plastic logo from Hama here that looks even more premium. We have an internal compartment here with a zipper. You can place various accessories like small notebooks or your pens here, or any other accessory for your working space, and the cables that may fit in here. Lots of storage compartments here in this front pocket that closes with a zipper. And now let's check the main compartment here for the laptop. You can see, okay, we have some protective foam here for the packaging. We don't need that. And we also have a silica gel bag. Let's place that away. So here we have a small cord to help us open up, and this is the whole compartment. Now Hama claims that this material is waterproof. Now a really great addition is this black tone here that makes a small cushion for removing anything from the front pocket. The zippers have these really premium glossy gunmetal handles at the end. As for the waterproof material used, I don't think that this external is, but the internal fabric might be protecting from some water spills, and this material is in the whole compartment of the laptop here. In any case, you should carry this with a carrying bag. To sum up, this is the Hama netbook sleeve at a great price. So leave us a like, subscribe, and as always from M.A.D, thank you for watching. See you at the next one.